So today we are gonna make my new quarantine hobby thing to make. Probably the only thing that I figured out how to make during this time of quarantine, which is sushi bake. Why make it like a normal sushi bake cake, square or circular shape, when you can make it a sushi bake cupcake? So yeah, I'm excited. More complicated, so I'm gonna put a secret ingredient. I mean, I like it in other Japanese Asian foods. I'll put shiitake mushrooms in it. Stick all your stuff in the bowl. Kind of just keep mixing it till you make you're basically making like a crab salad, yo. The thing that I didn't realize that you need was the sour cream, because I've just been going off of that Japanese mayonnaise. So apparently you go like equal parts of the Japanese mayo, or equal parts of the sour cream and Japanese mayo, or just mayonnaise really, is what most recipes call for. But I like to keep it classy, and I use the Japanese stuff, that $6 a bottle, quappy, whatever, because man, that stuff is good, yo. So you kind of just stir. So we got shrooms, we got weed, we got a bowl. But what we're really doing is making a sushi bake cupcake. I usually have just been keeping it simple, using normal jasmine rice, but this time I'm gonna try the classy sweet sticky rice, the sushi rice. A little more sweeter than the usual sushi rice. So I mean, I like that Furikake and rice vinegar. I've now made cupcakes, and you set it to broil at like 525. So hopefully in like 10 to 15 minutes, this is edible. Get in there, get in there. You should be about done. What was that, Mr. Oven Man? It's done! Pull it out! Let's see. Okay, we'll pull it out.
Don't kill the father. Let me go. Let me go. Don't kill him.
Oh my. I made cupcakes. Sushi cupcakes.
Yeah.
What's up? B. He made the sushi cupcakes all on his own like a grown-up and brought it to soy sauce.
Good job. Because it just falls out. Yes. Hold it so it stays in.
It's a big hand roll in the shape of a cupcake. Good stuff, Steve.
Is that there? Yeah.